Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you how you can activate your deactivated Uber account. So if you have deactivated your account or it has been deactivated and less than 30 days have passed, all you can do is you can go to Uber and simply log in and your account will be activated. If 30 days has or more has passed, what you'll have to do is you'll have to open your browser and search for Uber customer service. So you'll see this website, Uber Help, Uber support and customer service. You'll have to go to this link, and then from here you'll see welcome to Uber support. Choose riders. So after that, what you'll have to do is you'll have to go to account. From here you will have to go to account settings, or you can go to can sign in or request a trip. So you can go, and then from here you'll have to go to I can sign into my account, and then there are some things that's written here. You can read. You can what I'll advise you to do is scroll down and simply fill these informations like your name, email address and number, and so on and so forth. And then what you'll have to do is you'll have to describe what happened here. So you'll have to describe how and why your account has been deactivated, and then simply submit the request, and the Uber customer service will get back to you before 48 hours. So hopefully they will help you get back your account. So that was all for today guys. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.